Are you making music? Yeah? Go make some more music. A book? You looking at that book? Music? Here, Haven, let's read the list of words that you can sign instead. I think it's out here. You coming out? Okay, these are Haven's words. These are things she can sign. Daddy. Baby. Baby. Apple. Cheese. Dog. Cat. Bird. Pig. Fish. 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 Moose. Sleep. More. Please. Thank you. Book. Shoes. Bike. Hat. Mouse. Airplane. Milk. Eat. Whoa. Open. Hot. Flower. Hi, bye. Music. And then she says, these are the words she says. Mommy, Daddy, baby, key, dog, ball. Where's the ball, Haven? Ball, up. Apple, water. Speaking of, shoe, shoe, bike, Biko. Stop. Tessa. Diaper. Pee-pee. Hat. Hat. No. Open. She says opu. Yucky. Aki. Hot. Hot. Hi. Bye. Up.